Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Sentry error tracking in no-code production apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Sentry error tracking in your no-code production apps, follow these steps. First, log into your Sentry account or create one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Click on the Create Project button. Select the platform that matches your no-code tool. Fill in the project name and select any additional settings relevant to your project. After creating the project, you will be directed to the project setup page. Here, you will see a unique DSN key that is essential for tracking errors. Copy the DSN key for later use. Now, open your no-code app builder. Locate the Settings or Integrations section of your application. In this section, find the input field for external scripts or services. Paste the copied DSN key into the designated field. Next, check if there is a specific Sentry integration you can enable directly. If available, follow the prompts to configure the integration. After setting this up, perform a test error in your app. Trigger an error by doing something intentionally incorrect. This could be anything from submitting a blank form to invalid input. Now, go back to your Sentry dashboard. Navigate to the Issues tab to see if your test error appears. If everything is set correctly, you will see the error logged in real time. Finally, review the error details provided by Sentry for further insights. You have successfully enabled Sentry error tracking in your no-code production app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.